Grab 2 colors of string, scissors, and tape. Cut the strings to the length of your wingspan. Line the strings up and fold them in half and tie a knot, leaving a small loop at the top. Tape the bracelet to the table. Separate the 4 strings into the color pattern that you want. Make a 4 with the first string over the second string and pull through the loop. Pull to tighten. Repeat this on strings 3 and 4 as well. Take the new first string, in our case this is the pink one, and repeat this pattern over and over again until you have the bracelet length you want. Once you have the length you want, take the tape off the table and with the remaining string at the end, tie a knot to secure the bracelet. Cut off the remaining string. And you're done.
What you doing for me, Emma?
I'm just getting Josie. Josie obviously wants to be filmed, so I'm filming her.